Are you looking for a way to stand out from your competition? Do you want to do something no other realtors are doing and also provide added value to your prospects? If this sounds interesting to you, then keep watching this video and we'll show you how you can benefit by working with us. It all starts with print-on-demand booklets. What are print-on-demand booklets and why are they important? Print-on-demand booklets are only printed when you need them. That means you can print from 1 to 999 booklets at a time. That's right, as little as one booklet. That means no more large order quantities, so you can reduce your initial cost. There are many print-on-demand services, but we use Amazon's print-on-demand service for one main reason: delivery. Everybody knows and trusts Amazon, and their delivery is outstanding. What's another great reason to use Amazon's print-on-demand service? Amazon doesn't charge you to list your booklets on their site, so again, low cost to you. Okay, let's talk about the types of booklets that we can create for you. We create what are called low-content booklets. Think of guides, logs, and trackers. These are not literature books. Many realtors already have digital guides and pamphlets that can easily be converted to a physical booklet. Let's talk about some reasons why you should want to consider converting your digital PDF guides to physical booklets. The main reason is all your competitors just have digital PDF guides. How do you stand out from your competition by doing exactly what they are doing? Instead of digital, let's look at the benefits a physical booklet can provide to your prospects. First, it would be a totally unique and unexpected item to give to your prospect. Just think what a great feeling your prospect would get by you handing them a physical booklet instead of just providing them a PDF. Second, people don't throw away books. Think about it. They'll throw away that PDF they downloaded. They'll throw away that business card you gave them, or at a minimum, lose it. And the other great thing about these physical booklets is they act like a business card because they would have all of your contact information inside of the booklet. That means your contact information is going to be front and center of your prospects. Lastly, you give away a lot of marketing materials to your prospects already. Why not make it something your prospect can both use and have available to always remind them of you? So you're probably thinking, how can I provide this physical booklet to my prospects? The best way is to purchase wholesale copies of your physical booklets at a discount that you can keep at your office and give them away to your prospects. And remember, because this is print on demand, you can print from 1 to 999 booklets at a time, whatever your need is. And because it's Amazon, you can get them quickly. By doing some simple things like providing a printed physical booklet, you can both stand out from your competition and provide added value to your prospects that they will keep as a reminder of you. This is how to take your business to the next level. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope it provided you with some valuable information on how to stand out from your competition and provide value to your prospects. If you'd like to get more information on how we can help you now, send us an email at lcbooklets@gmail.com and enter info in the subject line.